I mean, what is your height? Height. How is your taller? Are you taller? You are 5'4" or 6 flat, 5 flat. What's that? Kind of like that. You don't
Hindi niya alam.
know?
Parang parang nagshi-shake na yung boses niya diyan, ah. Baka may ginagawa ka na diyan, Anthony.
What are you doing, Anthony, now? CD? Movie? Music. What kind of music? Oh,
Do
hi,
you have a girlfriend,
love.
Anthony? So, Chinese, right? Mm. Naantok na ako.
How
Matutulog
old
na
are you,
ako.
Anthony? Okay, 34, naalala ko na. I forgot.
Ay, grabe.
I forgot.
Anthony, do you play ML, Mobile Legend? Game.
Online games.
Hello, Adele. Good morning, Adele. How are you?
What
Yeah.
what games you played?
Open talk po ba?
I
Tutulog
Di
po.
namin
pa.
alam yan.
We don't know the. Did you know the COD?
Door. Hello. Shall we start? Tama? Kami, Joy.
Iba
Call
yung
of
mga
Duty.
nilalaro niya. Hindi ako familiar.
So this is you are from America, US. So this is a popular game. You know what is that? Fortnite. It's very, I have addicted that before. Now I remove. I take it out to my phone.
Hello. Good morning. Open card number 5. Open card number 5. It's open card.
Wala.
JR.
Why you always following me, this man?
Open talk ka man. May pa-open ka ba ko man? May. It's open card. May tulog ka ba? May open card.
Every night,
Oh.
every day
Our
you
opponent
say, every morning you say.
is so